I used to think that more subscribers meant more money. I was wrong. With only 1,000 people on my email list, I built $1 million business. The secret? It's not about mass marketing, it's about smart strategy. Like many of you, I started my journey believing that a bigger email list was the key to success. I spent countless hours and dollars trying to grow my subscriber count, but my revenue stayed flat. It was frustrating and disheartening. I felt stuck, wondering if I'd ever break through. Then I stumbled upon a different approach. It wasn't about how many people were on my list, but how I engaged with them. This shift in strategy changed everything. Suddenly, my business took off and I reached that $1 million mark I'd been dreaming of. So, what if I told you that the key to success isn't in the size of your list, but in how you use it? You might be surprised to learn that the real goldmine in your email list isn't where most people look. What if I told you there's a way to make significantly more money without increasing your subscriber count? The Duel Approach involves offering lower price courses alongside higher price consultancy services. This strategy allows you to cater to different segments of your audience, maximizing your revenue potential. For example, you might offer $500 courses as your entry-level products, while also providing $1,000 to $5,000 monthly consultancy services for clients who want more personalized attention. This approach isn't just about diversifying your offerings, it's about building trust and creating a pathway for your customers. By providing affordable courses first, you're giving your audience a chance to experience the value that you offer. And this initial interaction can lead to an increased willingness to invest in your higher price offerings later on. Let me share a quick story that illustrates the power of this approach. A friend of mine added $1 million to his course business by introducing a $10,000 per year coaching offer in a niche that wasn't even traditionally associated with making money. This shows that high ticket offers can work across various industries. Now, here's something that might surprise you. About 10% of customers are willing to spend up to 10 times the average price. This statistic reveals a significant opportunity for higher priced offerings that many course creators overlook. The Duel Approach creates a solid economic engine for business growth. By increasing your average order value, you can invest more in advertising and scale your business more easily. It's not about having the biggest list, it's about making the most of the list that you have. Remember, whenever you see a course business with a smaller list making lots of money, chances are they're selling higher priced courses or services. This approach allows you to generate substantial revenue without needing a massive email list. Now, you might be wondering, if a small list can generate big revenue, what's the next step? Well, I discovered a counterintuitive approach that turned my modest email list into a goldmine. It's a method that goes against everything you've probably heard about scaling an online business. The secret weapon that transformed my small list into a powerhouse wasn't what you'd expect. It was strategic collaboration. Instead of trying to do everything myself, I decided to bring in skilled consultants to enhance our service quality and customer satisfaction. This move had a significant impact on our business. By working with top-notch professionals, we were able to deliver work to an incredible standard. And this led to higher retention rates among our clients, which is crucial for long-term success. But here's where it gets really interesting. We shifted our focus from growing our list size to increasing our average order value. This change in strategy allowed us to invest more in advertising, which made scaling our business much easier. Think about it this way. If your average order value is higher than your competitors, then you can afford to spend more on ads. This gives you a significant advantage in the market. You're not just competing on numbers, you're competing on value. This approach is all about smart scaling, not just scaling for the sake of it. It is a common misconception that you need a massive email list to be successful. But what I learned is that growth is about strategy, not just effort. By focusing on strategic collaboration and increasing our average order value, we were able to create a sustainable growth model. This allowed us to build $1 million business with just 1,000 email subscribers. It's proof that you don't need a huge list to make a big impact. Let's recap the strategies we've discussed. The dual pricing approach, strategic collaboration, and smart scaling. These aren't just theories, they're proven methods that can transform your business. Take a moment to consider your own situation. Where can you apply these principles? Maybe you can introduce a higher priced offering or collaborate with experts to enhance your services. Remember, it's not about having the biggest list, it's about making the most of what you have. I want to challenge you to stop chasing numbers and start implementing smarter strategies. Your breakthrough is waiting, but it won't come from simply growing your list. It's time to focus on growing your strategy. As you move forwards, keep this in mind. Your next big opportunity isn't in growing your list, it's in growing your strategy. That's where true success lies.